Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can turn off 5G on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to open the settings app, and then in settings ensure that connections has been selected. Again, you can use these same instructions when your phone has been folded up. So settings, connections. So under connections, look for the option mobile networks and tap on it. Then from here, if you have two SIM cards installed onto your phone, then you should see network mode SIM 1 and network mode SIM 2. So say for example you want to disable 5G for network mode SIM 1, all you need to do is tap on it, then choose any option that doesn't start with 5G. So we can choose LTE/3G/2G. We can choose 3G/2G, 3G only, or 2G only. And so if you choose any of those options, then you've disabled 5G. And you can apply the same instructions for the second SIM card. Choose any option that's not 5G, LTE/3G/2G. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.